Hi, my name is Jay Liao, founder and CEO of PortfolioMonkey. PortfolioMonkey is a consumer-facing investment application that provides analytical tools that help investors assess risk, optimize portfolios, and find smarter investment ideas that are customized for their portfolio. Now, the easiest way to demonstrate what PortfolioMonkey can do is to dive right in, so let's just get started. Log in and create a portfolio. We'll call this Finovate, and I'm going to add some stocks. Microsoft, let's put in eBay. Let's throw in Oracle, and we'll put in gold since that seems to be an asset class that's in vogue these days. Let's hit next. Let's say I'm a long-term investor, meaning I've got an investment horizon greater than a year. Now, what PortfolioMonkey has just done is calculated expected return projections and volatility estimates for each of the stocks that I've entered in my portfolio. You can think of these return projections as required rates of return, which basically means this is how much these stocks should generate for the user, for the individual, to compensate them for their level of risk or volatility. Now, as the user, you have the ability to adjust these estimates if you have stronger views about what they should return. For example, if I think gold is going to return more than 6% over a long term, I could change that. Assuming I don't for now, let's just go with these estimates. What PortfolioMonkey has done here is compute my portfolio's expected return and risk. And this is a portfolio level, so this takes into consideration all of the interrelationships of different components of your portfolio. Sharpe Ratio is a measure of my portfolio's efficiency, basically how well it generates return per unit of risk. From here, I could launch an interactive probability analysis widget. Say I wanted to compute the probability of my portfolio earning, let's say, 20%. There it is. If I click on this dollar toggle, I can see what this means in dollar terms. There's a value at risk analysis, which tells me kind of my probability of losing, let's say, $10,000 in a given year. 5%. So this is my portfolio as it stands now. Let's see if I can optimize it. So here, PortfolioMonkey has compared my optimal portfolio weightings versus what I currently have. It tells me I am significantly overweight gold, given those return assumptions, and underweight Oracle, Microsoft, and eBay. The optimal portfolio produces a higher expected return than my current portfolio, and with less volatility. And correspondingly, the Sharpe Ratio is higher as well. Now, as an investor, this basically is telling me that my portfolio is suboptimal, that I can get more bang for the buck by reweighting the weightings. This table, this graph below tells me sort of over time what my projected portfolio value is. So over 10 years, I can expect to gain an additional $6,000 if I optimize. Hitting rebalance tells me exactly how many shares to buy and sell of each of the stocks in my portfolio to achieve the optimal portfolio. This is a great lead generation potential for our partners. Now, up to now, we've taken a look at my existing portfolio and made some recommendations on how we can re-weight it in order to get the most bang for my buck. At this point, you could also play with different hypothetical situations. For example, if you had two stocks that you were deciding to buy, Google or Yahoo, for example, you could input each of those stocks with your existing portfolio and see what the portfolio impact is and which one gives you a better return or lower volatility. Say you had some money you wanted to invest and you didn't have any idea of what you wanted to invest in. Portfolio can suggest stocks for your portfolio. Let's say I want to invest $10,000. I have the option to screen for market cap size and PE ratios. More filters will be coming. Let me hit go. Now what PortfolioMonkey is doing in the background, it's analyzing thousands of correlations with the entire universe of securities out there. And it's just produced a list of the top 10 securities that offer the best portfolio fit. From here, it's up to the user to do more research if they want. We think this is the best way for investors to find new stock ideas, to find stocks that are customized for their portfolio and that add diversification impact. And it's also a great lead generation for our partners as well. That's all I wanted to show you today. Our alpha site is currently live. Version 2 will be coming early summer. We'll also be building out tools to support third parties. So if you're interested, talk to us soon. Thanks.